If you're experiencing issues with the installation loop in Valorant, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Follow these steps to get back into the game. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Valorant. This includes checking your operating system, RAM, CPU, and GPU specifications. Step 2. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall as they may interfere with the installation process. Remember to enable them again after installation is complete. Step 3. Run as administrator. Right-click on the Valorant installer and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that may be causing the installation loop. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows +R, type %10% and hit Enter. Delete all files in the temp folder, as corrupted temporary files can disrupt the installation process. Step 5. Reinstall Riot Client. Uninstall the Riot Client completely and then download the latest version from the official Valorant website. A fresh installation can resolve any lingering issues from previous attempts. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy playing Valorant. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.